Good morning. Got a new painting. I put that gray frame on it. That's a painting Akiane did when she was 8 years old. She's a child prodigy. So I got that at the Goodwill store. I bought a frame at the Goodwill store also for like $5, and I put a picture of that's Quinault Mountains from a recent trip. You go to Walmart and blow it up. So that's kind of cool. I got a couple new photos from my room. I think I'm gonna go to the mountains today and stay in the back of my truck. It sounds like fun. Day off work. Day off work. I don't go back to work until Friday morning, so I could do an overnighter. Just leaving the house, packing it up. It's about 10 o'clock. It's like I got all this stuff, clothing, and I'm bringing aluminum foil this time so I can warm up my bakery item tomorrow morning. So, I just want to say, like, living by the seasons, I'm stressing that for myself, like for my emotional health. It really helps. Just living by the seasons, tuning into the weather. So, all right, away I go overnight. I think that's the funnest option. Stay in the back of my truck, out in the wilderness. I think it's a good choice. Yes, ma'am. I'm at the bakery. I'm going to pick up some donuts. I'm going to take one of these too. Yeah, life in Sultan's good. We have a bakery. It's also like a restaurant. Good times, good times. I have a surprise for you. I stopped at the river thinking how it was going to be beautiful and clear. That's not the case. Check this out. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the stop button. Here's the river today. We've had a lot of rain and snow recently. Wow. Not quite sure where I want to go. So I went to Skykomish Deli and enjoyed a delicious lunch.
I gotta be safe because I do not have a super truck. And I talked to some people, they said it's been raining here the last 24 hours and not snow. So, not a big deal. I just want to be safe. Safety first. Gonna be another long night, which is fine. It's that time of year. Hello. Well, I'm on a safe forest road. I didn't feel like driving up in any deep snow. So these are alderwood trees. I get good walking sticks from these trees. So I just spent the last hour and a half cutting 7 good strong sticks, and some of them are artistic also, so those are the good ones. And I washed them in this water, and I filled up some drinking water from here. So now I'm just going to keep driving, see if I can find a pretty place. So I just finished packing it up, throwing the sticks in the back of my truck. And I take one last look. And you see that branch right there? I gotta check this branch out. See, these alderwood sticks are like 20 feet long and pretty straight. So this one might be a good stick also. I'm gonna check it out. Nobody out here, just some old dude named James. Enjoying nature. Pretty quiet out here. There's some birds. Well, it turned out pretty awesome. It's a different wood that tends to crack sometimes. There's a way to dry the wood slowly, I guess, so it doesn't crack. But the alder wood, it really resists cracking, so it's a really good walking stick. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is birch or what, but this is a really handsome or pretty stick. It's very artistic, it's strong. I make them about chest high. I used to make them a lot bigger, but now I just make them chest high. They fit in your car and all that. So if you're making your own walking sticks, chest high is good so you don't poke yourself in the eye. And you just put a little rubber stopper on the bottom. Those little furniture protector things. So I'm happy about this stick. I'm going to keep driving. I feel a little better emotionally after doing some exercise, getting some walking sticks. I'm still not totally sold on sleeping out here, but that's just because I'm a wimp, right? I admit it. All right, I'm going to keep driving and see what happens. These are the trees. I'm not sure if they're birch or something else. You like it? It's called natural art, right? Beautiful. Check this out. I'm not gonna make it up to the turnaround parking lot without putting chains on, so I'm barely making this turnaround using this small patch of dirt there for grip. I think I'm barely gonna make the turnaround. Without digging out my shovel and all that. I was trying to make it to this parking lot to turn around. It's deep snow. Somewhere up there. So I don't know if I'm going to stay here overnight. It sure is pretty out here though. I forgot how pretty it is out here. I forget the name of the trail. It goes to Fortune Ponds. I think it's called Meadow Creek. So here's my turnaround. You see that small patch of dryness? My truck's been doing pretty well. Very well. I think those struts or shocks or whatever you want to call them, I think they're just strong is all they are. Alright, I'm going to turn around and keep driving. That was a wild ride. Told you it's rough out here. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go home. Take care, people.